Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about language and caption, recording date and location, license and short remixing. So how can you use this in your video? So I'm going to discuss this in this video. So I'm going to open my YouTube and you see I upload a video and here is many options available and here you can see this option. So first I'm going to talk about language and caption certification. Select a video language and if need a caption certification. What language you talk in your video? So what is your video language? My video language is English. So I'm going to search this. And now this is optional. If you have any of this certificate, you can use this in your video. So now I'm going to talk about my recording date and location. So from here you can add your video recording date. If I click this one, you see my recording date is 15 May 2024. And now if I choose my location, it will set my video location in USA. Now you can see this license option in here. There are two types of license you can use here. So first one is standard YouTube license. So what is actually difference between standard YouTube license versus Creative Commons license? So standard YouTube license is actually default option on YouTube. It grants you permission to host and display your video. It's essential to restrict others from editing or using your video in any way without your permission. You retain full copyright control. So if you use this license, you are gain your full control. No one can edit your video or use your video without your permission and you retain full copyright in your video. So if I use this license option, Creative Commons option, so what is actually Creative Commons option is? Creative Commons, this is a license you choose to apply to your video. By doing so, you allow others to reuse, edit and even build upon your work. Then one condition is that they must provide you with attribution, meaning they credit you as the original creator. So if you don't want to other YouTuber use your video, then select this option. If you have no problem that other creator use your video, then select this option. Now we are going to talk about short remixing. So what is actually short remixing? You can see this. Let others create shorts using content from this video. So basically, if you enable this option, other YouTuber can allow user video and audio to create short videos. So there are three options available. First one is allow video and audio remixing, allow only audio remixing, or don't allow remixing. So if you don't want to allow remixing, then select this option. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. And next video we are going to talk about the category, the YouTube category. So subscribe this channel.